Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
My name is King Labiano. I am an accredited assessor for bread and pastry production and seafood. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Clary, our representative from TESDA Provincial Office. Mr. Clary is here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. He will not assess you. Before I start, let me first check the attendance as I call your name. Please affix your signature and present to me your respective admission slip. Raise a hand. Then Angela. Then Rosalie. I have heard with me your accomplished self-assessment guide and application form. This is indication that you know that and can perform all the units of competencies enumerated in this qualification. The purpose of our assessment for bread and pastry production in situ is to determine the level of your competency. This can also be used for local or overseas employment and promotion. Today, I am going to administer competency assessment in bread and pastry production and seafood with a group unit of competency, namely, one is prepare and produce bakery products. Number two, prepare and produce pastry products. Number three, prepare and present ghetto, torts, and cakes. Number four, prepare and display petit fours. And number five, present desserts. So, your task to be performed is to perform a bread and pastry production in situ. We will collect evidence through the demonstration and oral questioning. To determine your knowledge and skill for bread and pastry production, the assessment method that we will use is the demonstration and oral questioning. This method can help measures and underpinning knowledge and skills. For your personal needs, our restaurant are located downstairs, beside the conference room, and you can take your meal at the canteen located at the lobby. If you have difficulty in understanding the given instruction, please do not hesitate to inform me because I am willing to translate it for you. But once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions. It will no longer be entertained. During the actual assessment, please observe safety precautions as you perform the different tasks. In case of accident, please call my attention immediately. With regards to the assessment result, we observe strict confidentiality. In case you have any question regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office where the assessment center and the assessor were accredited. Do you have any question? Okay, this time I am going to administer the competency assessment agreement sheet. This CAA serves as the contract between the candidates and the assessor. That the assessor explained and the candidate understand the process and requirements of the assessment. Please affix your signature and answer all the questions outlined in the sheet. Get one and pass. Do you have any clarification or questions? If you have no question and clarification, I am going to distribute to you this specific instruction. Please read it carefully. Everybody must be ready now. Let us now start candidate number one. Okay, Raisaan, you may now proceed to the demonstration area. Bring me with your specific instruction. So, Raisaan, this is our assessment area where you're going to perform bread and pastry production and C2. This is your specific instruction. If you have any question, you may ask now because once the assessment has started, you can no longer ask any question.
I have no questions, sir.
Okay? On that regard, you may now begin, and please be informed that after the demonstration, oral questionnaire will be followed. Done? Let's proceed to oral questioning. Okay, good. Let's proceed to feedbacking. Raisa Ann, how do you feel about the assessment?
Sir, I am confident that I was able to perform well during the demonstration, even if I have a hard time with the written test and oral question.
My observation coincides with your opinion. You are competent in performing the different skills in bread and pastry production. In oral questioning, you are very confident in answering and your answers are correct. And the result of the written test show that you are knowledgeable enough about bread and pastry production. For that, I would like to congratulate you for a job well done and for having a competent rating on this assessment. Once again, congratulations. Will you please affix your signature in your rating sheet as well as in your competence assessment result summary? The assessment center manager will sign your cards and I will give it to you in the holding area. Before you go back to the holding area, I would like to inform you on how you request or claim your national certificate. In requesting your NC, that would be from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Esta Provincial Office located at MIFT, Cayabon, Milagros, Masbate. Fill out the request form and attach the following original copy of your cards, one passport size picture with a white background wearing colored garment and documentary stamp. Then fill up the request for payment and prepare 100 pesos and 50 pesos for the national certificate, then 50 pesos for certification, authentication, and verification. Okay, once again, congratulations. So, Angela, this is our assessment area where you are going to perform the bread and pastry production in situ. Please read your specific instruction. If you have any question, you ask now because once the assessment has started, you are no longer ask any question. Okay, on that regard, you may now begin and please be informed that after demonstration, oral questioning will follow. Then, let's proceed to oral questioning. Okay, let's proceed to feedbacking. Angela, how do you feel about the assessment?
Sir, I am confident that I was able to perform well during the demonstration, even if I have a hard time with the written test and oral questioning.
My observation coincides with your opinion. You are competent in performing the different skills in bread and pastry production. In oral questioning, you are very confident in answering and answers are correct. And the result of the written test shows that you are knowledgeable enough about bread and pastry production. For that, I would like to congratulate you for a job well done and for having a competent rating on this assessment. Will you please affix your signature on your rating sheet as well as in your competency assessment result summary? The assessment center manager will sign your cards and I will give it to you in the holding area. Thank you very much. You may now go back to the holding area. Once again, congrats. Assessment center manager, the assessment is over. Will you please sign this competency assessment result summary? Thank you. Okay, candidates, I will now distribute the cards. So, thank you very much, everyone. Assessment is now over. You may now go. Tester representatives, assessment is over for the bread and pastry production and NC2.